POE is one of the world's top turnkey PCB assembly manufacturer. We are the world-leading EMS PCB manufacturer specialized in printing circuit board, PCB assembly, PCB PCBA prototyping in China, offering turnkey PCB assembly service including quick-turn PCB, component sourcing, cable assembly, comprehensive PCB testing, final package, worldwide shipping, etc. ISO 9001-2015, ISO 13485-2016, RoHS, REACH, and UL and ITC certificates. This video breaks down PCB assembly lead times, standard versus expedited, across order volumes and timelines from prototyping to mass production. Fast-track your electronics projects. Our rapid PCB bearboard service prioritize urgent orders 1 to 50 layers with industrial-leading turnaround times to accelerate your time to market. At POE, we are here when you need us most. 24 hours real-time engineering support, proactive problem solving guided by your project specs, and zero-cost technician consultations because your success drives our customer-centric mission. Service advantage. First, quick PCBA prototypes, automatic SMT line for quick sample output. Second, full turnkey PCBA service. Third, high-precision chip assembly. First, fast order arrangement and on-time delivery. POE focus on electronic products, SMT processing, small batch commitment to material to confirm the error-free on-time delivery. Second, international equipment with high production accuracy. The equipment is made for the mass production of products with medium and high-end quality requirements, breakthrough industrial technology. Can pace 01005, 0201, BGA pitch 0.2 mm, QNF, CSP, and other components. Third, continuous innovation and interactive technology. POE has a mature technology core team to keep the technology update and progress every year to bring more premium value products and service to our customers. POE every frame preserves authentic client-side interface language and encryption protocols, evidencing 24-hour, 7-day real-time incident resolution with cryptographic audit trace. Every meticulous effort from POE converges into a constellation of client trust.